Good morning, 9th standard. Have a wonderful day. This is English class. In the last class, you learned about the school in the year 2157. In the story, Tommy and Morgie found a book which said about the school of the past. There is no school, no classroom, no playground. Teacher is a machine. Books are stored in a computer. So, they wanted at the school of the past. The old school had human teacher. Students came to school to study. The human teacher taught them, clarified their doubts, gave them homework, corrected their homework, conducted the exam and evaluated their progress. That is like our system. Nowadays, you and me following this kind of education system. For them, this is olden period. Okay, children. Now we can go to the story. The inspector. The inspector means county inspector. Who is he? He is the person who repaired the mechanical teacher. Had smiled. He had smiled after he was finished. After he finished his work, the inspector had smiled at Morgie and patted Morgie's head. Patted means touch her head softly. He said to her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones." Mrs. Jones. Who is Mrs. Jones? Morgie's mother. The inspector said her mother, "It is not the little girl's fault." What is Morgie's fault? She had been doing worse and worse in geography. So, he told now, "It is not the girl's mistake. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quickly." In the mechanical teacher that during geography class time, geography sector moved very fast. So, she could not pick up the lesson. So, she was poor in geography. Otherwise, this is not the girl's mistake. The computer teacher mistake only. Like that he said. I have showed it up to an average 10-year level. Those things happen sometimes. Like this sometimes would happen. But now I changed it into average 10-year level. That means 10-year girls, how much she could learn due to her capacity, I changed its speed. Like that he said. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Her performance is very good, very satisfactory only. And he patted Morgie's head again. Once again, he patted her head. Morgie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. After repair the mechanical teacher, Morgie was disappointed. Why? She thought they would take her mechanical teacher away from her home. She could enjoy some days. Like that she thought. But the county inspector repaired her mechanical teacher. Now she got disappointed. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Once Tommy's teacher also repaired. So the inspector took away Tommy's mechanical teacher away for a month. 1 month he took away Tommy's mechanical teacher. Because the history sector had blanked out completely. During history period, history sector, that one time, the screen completely blanked. It did not show anything on the screen. So, the county inspector took Tommy's teacher away from his home. Like that, her computer teacher also took away from her home. Like that she hoped, but county inspector repaired her computer teacher. So she said to Tommy, Why would anyone write about school? She asked Tommy. Why would anyone write about school? Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. In superior eyes, he told her, because it is not our kind of school, stupid. The old school is not our kind of school. This is the old kind of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. Their old school, 100 years ago. That much very old one, like that he told. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, centuries ago. Loftily means proudly. He proudly said the word, used the word centuries ago. What do you mean by century? 100 years make a century. Okay. Now the old school, 100 years ago it was built. So in the book, Tommy found a book, no? In the book, it said about old school, that is hundreds and hundreds years ago built one. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She told him what kind of school they had, I don't know. She read the book over his shoulder for a while, then said, anyway, they had a teacher. She read the book over his shoulder and said, they had a teacher. Margie told Tommy. Tommy told her, sure, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. Regular teacher means mechanical teacher. It was a human. He told, in old period, they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a human. A human? How could a human be a teacher? Margie asked Tommy. How could a human be a teacher? Well, she told boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. In old period, the teacher teach the boys and girls and gave them homework and asked them questions. Everything the human teacher will do for their children. A human isn't smart enough. Margie said, a human isn't smart enough. A human teacher is not a smart like mechanical teacher. Like that she told. Sure, one is. Sure, one is. Tommy told, sure, there is a teacher. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Dispute means argue. Margie was not prepared to dispute that. She did not like to argue with him. She said, I wouldn't want a stranger in my house to teach me. Margie said, a stranger don't want to come my home to teach me. A stranger don't want to come to my house to teach me. Like that she told. Tommy screamed with laughter. Screamed means to cry in high voice. Tommy laughed in high voice. Highly. Laughed in very loudly. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in the house. Margie, you don't know much. The teachers didn't live in the house. The teacher did not go to anyone's house. They had a special building. Building, the school. They had a special building, that is school, and all the kids went there. All children went to school for study, like you. Like you children, okay? And all the kids learned the same thing, she asked him. And all the kids learned the same thing. All students went to school now? All the kids learned the same thing? Like that Margie asked him. Sure, if they were the same age. If they were same age, they learned same thing. Like that he told. Because 6th standard students studying same portion. 7th standard students, all students studying same portion. Like that, if they were same age, they learned the same thing. Like that he told.